How to make automatic firework launcher in Minecraft. So first what you need is a redstone repeater and set it up to look like a circuit. So as you can see, just go side by side right there. Once that's done, just simply put redstone dust all on its sides just like that and fully open the redstone repeaters. So fully open it just like that. Once that's done, just branch out the redstone dust right here and put another repeater facing away from the circuit that we have right there. So put just like that. Now just put another pieces of redstone right here, like to branch it out and again. And it's up to you how many dispenser or firework launcher you want. So for me, I'm just gonna put maybe 3. So just like that, then put the dispenser right there, another one, and another one. Then the next thing I want to do is just put the fireworks on the dispenser. So I'm gonna put my fireworks right here. So maybe 10 of each, and the other one 10. The last one you're gonna put 10 again. Once that's done, you simply need to break a redstone branch right here. So let's say this one. So I'm gonna break it. Once you broke that, just simply go here, put a redstone torch and just remove it fast. So just put the redstone torch and just remove it. Oops. Wait, I'm just gonna put blocks again and put the redstone torch and remove it. And it will make this infinite loop like that. Then put another redstone dust right here and wait for it. And as you can see, it now creates an automatic firework launcher like that. When I go back, it's gonna look like that. So I basically make an automatic firework launcher in Minecraft.